ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Namaskar, my dear friend. This is video number 6 of Avadhut Gita. It starts with stanza number 1 of chapter 6. बहुधा श्रुतः पर्वदन्ति वयं वेदादिदृद्रं मृगत्वय समं यदि चेक निरन्तरं सर्वशिव मुपमेय मतो है युपमा च कथम. The Shrutis declare in various ways that all this, the ether and its like, and we ourselves are like a mirage. If there is only one indivisible and comprehensive absolute, how can there be the comparable and the comparison, all etc., the visible and the visible worlds. Stanza number 2. अविभक्ति विभक्ति विहीनं परं ननु कार्य विकार्य वहीन परम यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वशिवम यजनम च कथम तपनम च कथम. The Supreme is without divisibility and indivisibility. The Supreme is without activity and changeability. If there is only one indivisible and all-comprehensive absolute, how can there be worship? How can there be austerity? How, etc. Worship and austerity imply recognition of many existences and are therefore unreal. Stanza number 3. मन एव निरंतर सर्वगतम हय विशाला विशाल विहीन परम मन एव निरंतर सर्वशिवम मन सापि कथम वत्सा च कथम. The mind is verily supreme, undivided, all-pervasive, and void of largeness and smallness. The mind is indeed the indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute. How can we do anything with the mind and speech? Mind used as a synonym of self, mind used in its usual sense. Stanza number 4. दिन रात्रि विभेद निराकरण मुदिता अनुदितस्य निराकरणम यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वशिवम रवि चंद्रमसो जवर्णश्च कथम. The self is the negation of the distinction between day and night. The self is the negation of the rising and non-rising. If there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can there be the sun, the moon, and fire, horizon, etc. become manifest? Manifestation and its opposite are both parts of phenomenal existence and cannot be true of the absolute self. Stanza number 5. गत काम विकाम विभेद इति गत चेष्टा विचेष्टा विभेद इति यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वस्वम बहिरंतरम भिन्न अभिन्तिश्चय कथम. The self is that from which the distinctions of desire and desirelessness, of action and inaction are gone. If there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can there be consciousness differentiated by exterior and interior? Stanza number 6. यदि सार विसार विहीन इति, यदि शून्य विशून्य विहीन इति, यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वस्वम प्रथम च कथम चरम च कथम. If the self is devoid of a sense and lack of a sense, if it is without void and non-void, if there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can there be a first, how can there be a last, a sense, etc.? Substance from which the universe originates. Lack of essence means lack of such creative substance. Both these terms are inapplicable to the absolute Brahman. First, origination of the universe or the waking state. Last, dissolution of the universe or deep sleep state. Yadi bhed vibhed nirakaranam. Stanza number 7. यदि भेद विभेद निराकरणम, यदि वेद वैद निराकरणम, यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वस्वम तृतीयं च कथम तुर्यं च कथम. If the self is the negation of difference and non-difference, if it is the negation of knower and knowable, if there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can there be the third? How can there be the fourth? Third, deep sleep state. Fourth, the transcendental state, but the term fourth implies a relatively. Stanza number 8. गदिता विदितं नहि सत्यमिति, विदिता विदितं नहि सत्यमिति, यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वस्वं विषयेन्द्रिये बुद्धि मनांसिं कथम. The spoken and the unspoken are not the truth. The known and the unknown are not the truth. If there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can there be objects, senses, mind and intellect? Spoken, that which is expressed. Unspoken, that which has not been expressed. The unspoken also is relative, being the opposite of spoken, and is therefore not the truth. Stanza number 9. Gagnam pavano nahi satyamiti, dharni dena nahi satyamiti, yadi chek nirantar sarvasvam, jaldas che katham salilam che katham. Ether and air are not the truth. Earth and fire are not the truth. If there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can there be cloud? How can there be water? Cloud, etc. Cloud and water can also be understood figuratively, meaning the original cause of the universe and manifold phenomena. Stanza number 10. यदि कल्पित लोक निराकरणम, यदि कल्पित देव निराकरणम, यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वशिवम गुण दोष विचारम मित्यश्चय कथम. If the self is the negation of imagined worlds, if it is the negation of imagined gods, if there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can there be discriminating consciousness of good and evil? Stanza number 11. मरना मरणम ही निराकरणम, करना कर्णम ही निराकरणम, यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वशिवम गगना गगनम ही कथम वदति. The self is the negation of death and deathlessness. It is the negation of action and inaction. If there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can one speak of coming and going, coming, etc., birth and death? Stanza number 12. प्रकृति परसो नहि भेद इति, नहि कारण कार्य विभेद इति, यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वस्वम पुरुषा पुरुषम च कथम वदति. Stanza number No such distinction exists as Prakriti and Purusha. There is no difference between cause and effect. If there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can one speak of self and non-self? Stanza number 13. तृतीयं ने हि दुख समागमनम ने गुणा द्वितीयस्य समागमनम यदि चैक निरंतर सर्व शिवम सत्विरश्च युवाच शिशुश्च खदम. There is no coming of the third kind of misery or of the second kind of misery due to the gunas. If there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can there be an old man, a young man, or an infant? Third, etc. Indian philosophies usually speak of three kinds of misery. First, that arising from one's own self. Second, that originating from other beings and things. And third, that arising from superhuman sources. Although the first kind of misery is not mentioned in the text, all three are meant and all arise from nature or Prakriti, which is composed of three gunas. Stanza number 14. ननु आश्रम वर्ण विहीन परम ननु कारण कर्तृवहीन परम यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वस्व मवनिष्ठ विनष्ट मतिश्चय कथम. The Supreme is without caste and stage of life, without cause and agent. If there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can there be consciousness of the destroyed and the undestroyed? Caste, etc. The Hindus recognize four castes, representing the priestly, military, trading, and laboring classes, and four stages of life, those of the student, householder, contemplative, and monk. These have nothing to do with the self, which is identical with the Supreme. Cause, etc. The self has neither any material cause nor any efficient cause, agent. Also, it may mean that the self is not the cause or the doer of anything. Destroyed, etc. By the destroyed is meant the world of phenomena which disappears at the attainment of knowledge, and by the undestroyed is meant the eternal self. But the dual consciousness of the eternal self and phenomena is impossible in the absolute. Stanza number 15. Grihasti api गृहस्थं च वितथमिति जनिता जनितं च वितथमिति यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वस्व मैं विनाशी विनाशी कथम ही भवेत. The destroyed and the undestroyed are both false. The born and the unborn are both false. If there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can there be the perishable and imperishable? Stanza number 16. Purusha apurasya vinashtamiti vanita vanitasya vinashtamiti yadi chak nirantar sarvasvam मैं विनोद विनोदम तिश्चय कथम. The self is the annihilation of the masculine and the non-masculine. It is the annihilation of the feminine and non-feminine. If there is only one indivisible, all-comprehensive absolute, how can there be consciousness of joy and lack of joy? Annihilation, that is, the self is the negation of etc. Masculine, etc. There is no sex in the self. The words masculine and feminine may also mean Purusha, soul, and Prakriti, nature. Stanza number 17. यदि मोह विषाद विहीन परो यदि संशय शोक विहीन पर यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वस्व महमेति ममेति katham cha punaha. If the Supreme is free of delusion and sorrow, doubt and grief, if there is only one indivisible, all comprehensive absolute, how can there be I and mine? Stanza number 18. Nanu dharam vidharam vinas iti nanu bandh vibandh vinas iti yadi chek nirantar sarvasya निहि दुख निहि दुख विदु विदुखम तिश्चय कथम. The Supreme is the destruction of virtue and vice. It is the destruction of bondage and freedom from bondage. If there is only one indivisible, all comprehensive absolute, how can there be here any consciousness of sorrow and absence of sorrow? Stanza number 19. ने ही यागिक यज्ञ विभागिति ने होता सन वस्तु विभागिति यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वस्वम वद कर्म फलानि भवन्ति कथम. No distinction of sacrificer and sacrifice exists. No distinction of fire and ingredients exist. If there is only one indivisible, all comprehensive absolute, say how there can be any fruits of work, sacrifice, etc. The reference is to the fire ritual in which priests make oblations into the sacred fire for attainment of earthly or heavenly ends. Such a ritual has nothing to do with the Supreme Self. Stanza number 20. ननु शोक विशोक विमुक्त इति ननु दर्प विदर्प विमुक्त इति यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वस्वम ननु राग विराग मतिश्चय कथम. The self is verily free from sorrow and absence of sorrow. The self is free from pride and absence of pride. If there is only one indivisible, all comprehensive absolute, and how can there be consciousness of attachment and non-attachment? Stanza number 21. Nehi moh vimoh vikar iti nehi lobh vilobh विकार यदि चैक निरंतर सर्वस्वम हय विवेक अविवेक मतिश्चय कथम. No such change as illusion and freedom from illusion exist. No such change as greed and freedom from greed exist. If there is only one indivisible, all comprehensive absolute, how can there be consciousness of discrimination and lack of discrimination? Discrimination between the real and the unreal. Stanza number 22. तव महम नहीं हंत कदाचितपि कुल जाति विचारम सत्यमिति अहमेव स्वः परमार्थिति अभिवादन मत्र करोमि कथम. There are never any you and I. The discrimination of family and race is false. I am indeed the absolute and the supreme truth. In that case, how can I make any salutation? Salutation implies at least a duality. Stanza number 23. Guru Sisya Vichar Visirne iti Updesh Vichar Visirne iti Ahmev Shivah Paramarth iti Abhivadan Matre Karomi Katham. The self is that in which the distinction of teacher and disciple disappears and in which the consideration of instruction also disappears. I am indeed the absolute and the supreme truth. How can I in that case make any salutation? Stanza number 24. नहीं कल्पित देव विभागिति नहीं कल्पित लोग विभागिति अहमेव शिवः परमार्थिति अभिवादन मत्र करोमि कथम. There is no imagined division of bodies, there is no imagined division of words. I am indeed the absolute and the supreme truth. In that case, how can I make any salutation? Bodies The soul in the state of ignorance is considered to be endowed with three bodies: gross, subtle, and causal. Also, the bodies of the different kinds of beings, natural and supernatural, may be named. Stanza number 25. सर्जो वीर्जो ने कदाचिदपि ननु निर्मल निश्चल शुद्ध इति अहमेव शिवः परमार्थिति अभिवादन मत्र करोमि कथम. The self never endowed with passion or devoid of it. It is verily spotless, immovable, and pure. I am indeed the absolute and the supreme truth. In that case, how can I make any salutation? Stanza number 26. नहीं देह विदेह विकल्प इति अनर्थम चरितम नहीं सत्यमिति अहमेव शिव परमार्थ इनि अभिवादन मत्र करोमि कथम. No distinction such body and bodiless exist, nor is it true that there is false action. I am indeed the absolute and the supreme truth. In that case, how can I make any salutation? Truth, etc. To think that false action, such as false perception, illusion, or any action pertaining to relative life exists is possible only in relative existence, and ignorance such a conclusion therefore is false. Stanza number 27. विन्दति विन्दति नहि नहि यत्र छन्दो लक्षणं नहि नहि तत्र समरसमग्नो भाववित् पूतः परल्पति तत्त्वं ब्रह्मवधूत. Where one knows nothing, there is verily no versification. The Supreme and Free One, pure of thought, absorbed in the consciousness of the homogeneous being, prattles about the truth. Chapter number 20. Chapter number 8. I will deal in next video. So I end the video number 6 here. Please like, comment and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot. Namaskar, my dear friends.